Recent data published in the journal Scientific Reports provide fresh insights on the dangers of steroid usage in male athletes. Researchers discovered that bodybuilders with a history of steroid use were more likely to demonstrate psychopathic tendencies, risk-taking sexual and drug use behaviours, and anger difficulties. Anabolic-androgenic steroids are synthetic versions of the male sex hormone testosterone. Though often used for bodybuilding, steroids have been linked to a number of health hazards, including dependencies, medical disorders, and psychological issues. According to neuroimaging studies, steroids may cause structural changes in the brain and influence cognitive performance. A team of researchers led by Brian S. Nelson intended to look into a little study topic: the possible relationship between anabolic steroids and psychopathy. A lack of empathy, limited emotional sensitivity, and antisocial conduct are characteristics of psychopathy. A growing number of studies have discovered links between anabolic steroids usage and psychopathy, as well as violent criminality. Nelson and colleagues investigated whether steroid usage was connected with psychopathic tendencies and other problematic behaviours such as risk-taking, anger issues, emotional disorders, and cognitive problems in a cross-sectional study of male bodybuilders. The researchers conducted an internet poll with 492 male bodybuilders, the average age being 22. The males disclosed any previous usage of appearance and performance-enhancing drugs, as well as their exercise and nutrition habits. They also said whether or not they had experienced different psychological states, for example sadness, mood swings, or anger, and whether or not they had engaged in particular risk-taking activities, example unprotected sex, using stimulants without prescription, or drinking alcohol. Finally, they completed psychopathy, impulsivity, anxiety, sadness, and annoyance tests. After evaluating the data, the researchers discovered that bodybuilders with a history of steroid use were more than twice as likely to those without a history of steroid use to display psychopathic features. They were also almost twice as likely to participate in drug use risk-taking, nearly twice as likely to engage in sexual risk-taking, nearly twice as likely to report anger issues, and more than twice as likely to report physical difficulties. Furthermore, as compared to bodybuilders who had never contemplated using anabolic steroids, those who had considered it were more likely to display psychopathic tendencies, drug use or sexual risk-taking, anger difficulties, mental stability concerns, depressive symptoms, and impulsivity. Overall, the data provide the compelling evidence that steroid use is associated with an elevated likelihood of psychopathic traits. The researchers claim the direction of this link is unknown because the study was cross-sectional. While steroids may lead to psychopathy, psychopathy may also contribute to this usage of steroids because psychopathy is related with risk-taking behaviours, include substance usage. Bodybuilders who opt to use steroids may exhibit psychopathic tendencies. The scientists think that psychopathic characteristics may be an underlying mechanism linking steroid usage to rage disorders, but further study is needed to investigate this. Longitudinal studies may also help researchers unravel the link between steroid uses and psychopathy. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.